Alright guys, are you ready to see what DJI looks like when you really make it look cool? Okay, so it has a special case and you have never seen a sparklier, more amazing, rainbow looking DJI Mini 2 than this. It is just absolutely amazing. But it doesn't end there, because this version of the DJI Mini 2 can do this. Can yours? Can yours? I know. You've got pilot envy. I can see it in your eyes. You've got pilot envy because yours doesn't do this. Yours doesn't do this. And this is so amazingly cool. So anyway, the reason why I did this cool thing to the drone was so that it could be tracked better. But hey, it's so cool. It's so cool. I bet you want something this cool on your drone, because I did.
Likey.